Topic is Shita Pitta. References of Shita Pitta. It is described in Ashtang Hruday Uttar Tantra 31st chapter, in Madhav Nidan 50th chapter. This is a clinical presentation of Shita Pitta. So patient comes with the symptoms of itchy hives, wheals, swelling, erythema, that is reddish patches over the skin, or itchy hives, that is intense itching is present, wheals, that is mandalakruti, reddish patches over the skin, over the back region, over the arms, over the legs, anywhere in the body. It is the typical presentation of Shita Pitta Vyadhi. Introduction of Shita Pitta Vyadhi. That is, Shita Pitta is the skin disease. That is, it is a dermatological disease in which rashes, that is reddish color rashes, will appear on the skin. So there is intense itching hives or wheals over the body, having elevated reddish patches over the skin. It is a Shonita Vaha Srotovikar. It is a Rakta Vaha Srotovikar Vyadhi. Causes of Shita Pitta. Shita Maruta Sansparshat Pradushto Kapha Maruto Pittena Sa Sambhuya Bhai Antar Visarpata. Madhav Nidan 50/1. So, causative factor of Shita Pitta is Shita Maruta Sansparshat. Shita is cold and Maruta is air. That is, exposure to cold air or exposure to cold breeze is a specified or specific causative factor of Shita Pitta. So we experiences a cold breeze during winter season. Also in rainy season we get cold breeze. So if we are traveling by car or by specifically by two-wheeler, then we get exposed to cold breeze. Also, if we are exposed to AC or cooler, we experience cold breeze. So this is a typical causative factor of Shita Pitta. In clinically, we get all Vata Prakopak Hetu, Pitta Prakopak Hetu can be considered as a causative factor. Samprapti of Shita Pitta. Shita Maruta Sansparshat Pradushto Kapha Maruto Pittena Saha Sambhuya Bhai Antara Visarpata. It is Madhav Nidan 50/1. That is, when exposed to cold breeze, so Shita Maruta Sansparshat, that is Hetu 7, there will be Pradushto Kapha Maruto, that is Kapha and Vata Dushti, that is Kapha and Vata increases and aggravated. Then there will be vitiated Pitta, that is vitiated Pitta in our body, or if the patient is Pitta Prakriti, or so along with the Pitta, Kapha and Vata travels all over the body. It is internally and externally. It is Bhi Antar Visarpata, that is spread all over the body, internally and also externally. So internally it will travel, that is Pitta along with the Kapha and Vata will travel internally with all the dhatus, Sapta dhatus, that is Rasa, Rakta, Mansa, Medha, Asti, Majja, Shukra. It is internally. Externally it will travel to Tvaka. So over the Tvaka there will be seen elevated patches of redness over the skin, or itchy hives or wheals over the skin. So this is and there will be formation of Shita Pitta Vyadhi. So this is the Samprapti of Shita Pitta Vyadhi. So when exposed to cold breeze, there will be kapha and vata dushti we will see. So kapha and increased, there will be increase of kapha and vat or dushti of kapha and vat. So aggravated kapha and vat vitiate pitta, or already if the patient is of pitta prakriti or if the vitiate pitta is present in our body, so along with the pitta it will travel, that is kapha and vat will travel all over the body, internally and externally, that is bahi and anta visarpataha. So over the skin, over the tvaka region, there will be elevated patches of redness over the skin, itchy hives. So there is utpatti of shita pitta vyadhi over the body. Purva roop of shita pitta: पिपासा, अरुचि, उल्लास, देह सादांग गौरवम, रक्तलोचनता तेषां पूर्वरूप लक्षण. That is Madhav Nidan 50/2. This first is pipasa, that is thirst. Next is aruchi, that is anorexia. Ullasa, vomiting sensation. Deha sadanga, that is stability of body. Gauravam, that is heaviness in body. Raktalochanata, that is redness of eyes. So these are the Purvarup or the Purvarup Lakshanas or Purvarup of Shita Pitta Vyadhi. Roop of Shita Pitta: Varati Dashta Sanstana Shotaha Sanjayate Bahi Sakandu Stoda Bahula Sharti Jara Vidahvana उदर्दमितितं विद्याच शीतपित्त मथापरे वाताधिकं शीतपित्तम उदरस्तु कफादिका. Madhav Nidan 50/3 chapter. The first root of shitapitta is varati tanshta sanstana shotaha, that is elevated skin eruption, resembles like that produced by the sting of wasp. That is, wasp is an insect which that is Sakandu, that is severe itching. Stoda bahul, pricking pain over the swelling or over the skin eruption. Chardi, that is vomiting sensation or vomiting. Jara, that is fever. Vidahavana, is burning sensation over the skin or over the skin eruption. So these are the root of Shita Pitta. So Vatadikam Shita Pitta, that is in Shita Pitta there is a dominancy of Vat, and in Udarastu Kapadikam it is Udarda, that is a dominancy of Kapha. Udarda वरटी दंष्ट संस्थाना शोता संजायते बहि सकंडुस्तोद बहुल शर्ति ज्वर विदाहवान उदर्दमिति तम विद्याच शीतपित्त मथापरे वाताधिकम शीतपित्तम उदरस्तु कफाधिकम. Madhav Nidan 50/3. Above all lakshanas, that is first varati danshta samsthana shota sanchayate bahi, that is elevated skin eruption, resembles like that produced by the sting of the wasp. Then next is sakandu, that is severe itching. Next is stoda bahul, that is pricking pain. Chardya, vomiting. Jwara, fever. Vidahavana, that is burning sensation. These all symptoms are seen, or lakshanas are seen in Udarda Vyadhi. In Sita Pitta, there is a dominancy of Vata dosha, and in Udarda, there is a dominancy of Kapha dosha. But symptoms or lakshanas are same in both Shita Pitta and also Udarda Vyadhi. Udarda स उत्संगे च स रागे च कंडुमदवि च मंडले शेषीर कफजो व्याधि उदर्द इति कीर्तितः. It is Madhav Nidan 50 chapter. Ussanga, that is elevated. Saraga, reddish. Kandu, itchy. Mandale, round patches. There is a round elevated reddish patches over the skin, and there is itching, that is kandu, severe itching over the skin or over the patches. Udarda is produced by kapha dosha, that is the dominancy of kapha dosha in Udarda Vyadhi, and it is occurs mainly in Shishir Ritu. That is, Shishir Ritu is a winter season. In Shishir Ritu, there is a accumulation or sanchay of kapha dosha occurs. So this is about the Udarda Vyadhi. पित्तश्लेष्मा अन्ननिग्रहे मंडलानि सकंडूनि रागवन्ति बहूनि च. Madhonidan 50/6. The coat is manifested due to improper administration of woman therapy. That is, if there is a samyak woman, that is a woman is a panchakarma, that is one type of panchakarma. So that if there is occurrence of asamyak woman therapy, so there will be utpatti of kotha. There is a suppression of the movement of pitta, kapha and anna, and causes the development of innumerable rashes, that is mandalani, that is mandal, that is around patches over the skin, and sakanduni, that is with itching, ragavanti, that is red patches, that is erythema, that is reddish, and bahut, that is there are many, innumerable, that is many rashes, round rashes with itching, and recurrence occurs many times. So this is a kotha. The suppression of the movement of pitta, kapha and anna. That is suppression, that is in woman there is that is kapha, pitta, and all are thrown out. And if there is a suppression, if the asamyak woman, that is asamyak woman means there is a vomiting, which is induced vomiting by taking medicine, by taking Vamanopagam medicine, which induces vomiting. So if it is taken, and even though there is no vomiting or there is insufficient Vaman weight, there is insufficient outcome of that is kapha, pitta, so there will be a suppression of the movement of pitta, kapha and anna. So that it is accumulated in the body, that is kapha, pitta, anna will be accumulated in the body. So it will, there is all the doshas or the dushi doshas will remain in the body, which should be thrown out through woman therapy. So it will remain in the body. So there will be development of kotha utpatti.